Good morning children. Welcome back to the review class of EVS. In the last class we discussed about food items, good food habits and family. Are you all remembering it? Yes, good children. Are you all following the good food habits to stay healthy? Yes, good children. Today we have two interesting topics. What are they? First one is occupation. Second one is types of clothes. Have you seen policeman? Yes. What is his uniform? Yes, khaki dress. Have you seen nurse? Yes, white dress. We have seen many people doing different jobs or works, isn't it? Around us, every people, you observe your parents or neighbors, they are doing different jobs or works to earn money. So, occupation is a job or work that help us to earn money. Occupation is a job or work that help us to earn money. Who is a postman? Postman is a person who brings you letters and parcels. Who is a doctor? Doctor is a person who treats patients. Who is a nurse? Nurse will take care of sick people. When you are admitted in hospital, nurse will take care of you, isn't it? Who is a sweeper? Sweeper sweeps our surroundings and make it neat and clean. Who is a farmer? You don't know farmer, but you are ready to eat food, isn't it? Who is a farmer? Farmer is a person who grows crops, fruits and vegetables. Who is an engineer? Engineer is a person who designs and construct machines, buildings, roads, etc. Who is a scientist? Scientist is a person who invent new things. Who is a teacher? Teacher teaches in schools and colleges. Who is a soldier? Yes, soldiers protect our nation, isn't it? Then what about policeman? Policeman catches thieves and maintain law and order. Are you all following the rules or not? They will check it. So, the law and order will be maintained by police. Who is a cobbler? Cobbler will repair our footwears. Who is a carpenter? A carpenter will work on wood and make furnitures and wooden things, isn't it? Who is a painter? Painter will paint our homes and buildings. Who is an astronaut? Astronaut will fly spaceship. Who is a pilot? Pilot will flies aeroplane. Who is a tailor? Yes, that you know. Tailor will stitch our clothes, isn't it? Who is a driver? Driver will drive the vehicles. If he drive an auto rickshaw, we will call him as auto driver. If he drive a bus, we will call him as bus driver, isn't it? Who is a poet? Poet is a person who writes poem, isn't it? Who is a chef? Chef is having a long cap, isn't it? Chef is a person who cooks food in restaurants and hotels. Then what about architect? Yes, architect will give designs, isn't it? If you want to construct a new house, we will approach a we will approach an architect and get the designs. So, in our daily life we can see many jobs. Now, I have a question. What is your ambition? Do you want to become a doctor or engineer? Yes, some of you want to become a doctor and some of you want to become an engineer. Why don't you want to become a farmer or a sweeper or a driver? Yes, you are smart children, salary is very less, isn't it? Yes. So, dear children, if sweepers are not there, our surroundings may not be clean. If drivers are not there, we cannot move all over the world. So, every field, every job is important. If nurses are not there, who will treat us when we get sick? So, each field is important. Don't find some field or some jobs as too small and some jobs as too big. You have to consider equally. Every job is or every occupation is have its own importance. So, respect, they are our community helpers. They will help us in different ways. So, you should respect them. Will you do it? Yes, good children. Now, let us discuss the next topic. What is it? Yes, your favorite topic, types of clothes. What is the use of clothes? Why do we wear clothes? Can anybody tell? Yes, clothes will protect us from heat, cold, dirt, dust and insect bite. So, clothes will protect us from heat, cold, dirt, dust and insects bite. Olden times people used leaves of the trees and skin of animals as clothes. But nowadays we have a modernized clothes. So, we are using clothes depend on seasons, depend on occupations, depend on occasions. So, based on seasons we change clothes, based on occupations we change clothes, based on occasions. First, let us discuss about seasons. During summer season, what is the speciality of summer season? Very hot, we will get a lot of sweat. So, we have to wear cotton cloths. Cotton cloths will absorb the sweat and so that we will feel cool. We get this cotton from cotton plant. So, cotton plant is having a fruit cotton, from that we will take the fiber and we will make the cotton cloths. So, during summer season we have to wear light colored cotton cloths. Then what about winter season? Can we wear cotton clothes in winter season? No. Why? Because winter season, what is the speciality? It is very cold. So, we have to choose woolen cloths. Wool is taken from sheep. We will trim the hair of the sheep and prepare woolen cloths. When you wear woolen cloths, your body will feel warm. That is, we can protect our body from cold and we feel warm. So, woolen sweaters, woolen cap, socks, etc. are available. So, we will use woolen clothes in which season? Winter season. Then what about rainy season? Rainy season, we will wear raincoats, gum boots and umbrella to protect us from rain. So, based on seasons, we may wear cotton clothes in summer, woolen clothes in winter, raincoat, gum boots and umbrella in rainy season. Now, second, based on occupation. Have you seen doctors? Have you observed a white coat? Yes, doctors are using white coat. So, when you see white coat, you can understand that he or she is a doctor. Have you seen nurse? Yes, they are using white uniform. What about you? You have a school uniforms. What about police people? Yes, police is having their own uniform. What is the color of it? Yes, you know everything, isn't it? What about lawyer? Lawyer is having a black coat, isn't it? So, based on occupation, people are wearing different colored clothes and type of dress. For example, an astronaut. Who is an astronaut? Astronaut is a person who flies spaceship. They will wear space suit. They never wear the dress like us. They have a special suit, space suit. So, depend on occupation, people will wear different types of clothes. Now, third one, occasions. Occasion in the sense, you may have birthday celebration, wedding anniversary, marriage functions, or any festivals. Such cases, we won't select these cotton clothes or woolen clothes and all. We will select special dresses, some traditional dresses or modern dresses, isn't it? So, such occasions we have another type of dress. So, based on seasons, we have a variety of dresses. Based on occupation, we have different ways of dressing, and based on occasion, we have different dressing styles or costumes. When you observe people of different countries or states, you can see a difference. People wear different types of clothes. You compare the Rajasthani people and Telangana people, you can see a big difference, isn't it? By seeing the dressing style, you can understand their place, isn't it? So, types of clothes depends on season, occupation and occasion. Now, we get these clothes from natural as well as artificial. So, let us discuss what are the natural fibers and what are synthetic fibers. Synthetic in the sense we will prepare in factories. So, natural fibers are of three. What are they? One is cotton. Cotton we will get from cotton plant. Next one is wool. Wool we will get from sheep. Next one is silk. When do we wear silk cloths? Whenever there is any celebration, people used to wear silk saree and all. So, silk we will get it from an insect, silkworm, which lives on mulberry leaves. So, silk is a natural fiber, wool is a natural fiber, cotton is a natural fiber. So, examples of natural fibers are cotton, wool, silk. Now, let us see some examples of synthetic fibers, that means man-made fibers we are preparing. So, we are preparing mainly one is nylon, rayon, polyester. Yes, so plenty of modernized fibers are available. So, study 2 or 3 examples of synthetic fibers. What are they? Nylon, polyester, rayon, etc. So, based on the source, we can classify the fibers into 2: natural fiber, synthetic fiber. Natural fibers we will get from the nature. What are they? Cotton, wool, silk, etc. Synthetic fiber we have to prepare, man-made. Rayon, nylon, polyester, etc. So, types of cloths, uses of cloths. What are the uses of cloths? Cloths protect our body from heat, cold, dirt, dust and from insect bite, isn't it? So, remember all these points, whatever points we discussed today, what are they? We discussed about occupations, we have seen different jobs, and later we have seen different types of cloths, and later we have seen the types of fibers, natural and artificial. Are you all following me? Did you understand it? If you have any doubt, yes, ask me. We will see in the next class. Till then, bye.